In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text size in Card without changing everything. If you've ever nudged a font size and watched your entire site shift, this walkthrough will show you how to resize text on just one block, keeping the rest of your design perfectly intact. Start by heading to the Card website and opening your dashboard. From there, select the project you want to edit so it opens in the Card Builder. Once you're in the editor, click directly on the specific text block you want to change. You'll know it's selected when you see the element's bounding box and the settings panel for that block on the side. This is important because we want to make a change at the element level, not to your site's global styles. With the text block selected, look for the Appearance tab in the side panel. It's represented by a small paintbrush icon. Click that to reveal all the styling controls tied to this single element. This is where Card separates content from design, so any adjustment you make here will apply only to the text you selected, not to headings, paragraphs, or buttons elsewhere on the page. Inside Appearance, scroll or locate the Size section. You'll see a slider that controls the font size for this block. Drag the slider to the right to increase the size or to the left to decrease it. As you adjust, keep an eye on the live preview in the canvas so you can judge readability, line breaks, and visual hierarchy in real time. A helpful tip here is to aim for consistency with your overall design. Larger sizes for titles or calls to action, and smaller sizes for supporting text. If your text starts to wrap awkwardly, consider a slightly smaller size to preserve balance and spacing. While you're adjusting, think about how this will look on smaller screens. Even without switching views, a conservative change usually translates better across devices. If the text is a headline, make sure it clearly stands out from body text. If it's a caption or a label, keep it legible without overpowering nearby elements. When you're happy with the result, click Done in the panel to apply the change to that specific text block. That's it, your adjustment is localized and won't ripple through the rest of your site. From here, you can continue editing other elements the same way, knowing each one can be fine-tuned independently. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to change text size in Card without changing everything else.